electronics, things 70 geese. What's up, everybody?
Hi.
That race went, just the time being there was really good.
Yeah, it was fun.
It was full of excitement. The 88 car didn't do so hot, but we still got a couple shots, and so that was good.
Yeah.
Really good shots. I want to ask him what kind of music he wants to put to it.
Yeah,
that's gonna be
put
cool.
to the video.
But then there was like a bad accident.
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen that around here, but one of the midget cars flipped over, as you saw probably already. That was crazy because we actually scouted out that spot to see if we should get a shot from that angle. And it's like, there's a lot of dirt over here. I don't know if I want to sit in it, but then thank God everyone is okay and nobody was injured. Sycamore Speedway, man, full of excitement.
Everybody walked away, so.
So now we're going to donate.
Yeah.
Joey Bega donates.
We cleaned our room today.
Yes.
Go adulting.
So we got like three big bags that donates.
Yeah.
All right. So let's do this. Have a good day.
Yeah.
All
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Hi, Jamie. Welcome to the 992 cast.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Hey. What up?
What was the last TV show you were on?
I don't know. Probably Little Buddy's Romper Room, honestly.
No, but I mean, well, yeah, that's true. But I mean, your last professional.
Oh, the last professional TV show?
Yeah.
American Dreams.
Yeah, that was a good show.
It was an excellent show.
You had the perfect setup for that.
I did.
Yeah, it's totally classic.
I did have a classic look for that.
Yeah.
My very first day on set, I got chosen to be one of the girls who got false eyelashes because they said I had the look.
Wow.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, I got chosen for that. And then I matched some other people in like an actual scene from, like they took a picture from actual Dick Clark and they had to like match it so they could pan over.
That was cool.
That's really cool. I matched some of that. And then from there it was like 3 years of fun and like 30 different styles of hair and 4 million pounds of hairspray. Yeah, Aquanet.
So Jamie Givens from California.
Yes.
What area of California do you live?
I live in Montrose.
Nice.
Which is like a little bit northeast of Los Angeles. LA. Right at the base of the mountains. Los Angeles, California. Los Angeles County.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
And you guys are sisters, right?
We are sisters. Yeah, we are sisters.
Well, thanks for coming to donate with us.
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah, we're at Savers. We're currently donating clothes and trinkets.
Yes. So if you want any of my old underwear, you can come get it here at Savers.
Yeah, at Savers. Yeah. Mondays, 50% off.
Oh, heck yeah.
All right. I don't donate my underwear. You're not supposed to let air out while you're doing that. Just helpful ends, not the...
Okay, this is a little over 30.
Okay, so where's it supposed to be?
I don't know. I looked in the door and it's not in the door.
What?
Is it only on the driver's side?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. I checked.
Let me help you up. You can get that.
Okay. So, we're gonna check. Whoa. Down here.
Yes.
We're gonna look right here.
No, not that. Don't worry about the temporary speed right now.
36.
36. Those top two lines, front and rear, and then your spare.
And then my spare. So I want to be 36, and I'm at a little bit like 32.
Okay, so maybe we could use some air. Let's check it again.
It was probably at 36 until I let a little air out.
Yes, exactly. So it's full.
30.
So yeah, those could use some air. All right, cool. Thanks for doing that, honey. And now I need to look for a battery tender for the truck because I left the radio on too long and I wore the battery down. Hey Lisa, if you wouldn't mind learning a little bit, I'd like to show you how to hook up a battery connection to your car when it needs recharging. Is that cool with you?
That's cool with me. Let's do it.
All right, first thing is open the door on the truck.
This one?
Yes. And then you gotta pop the hood. So the hood is down there on the sidewall by your foot.
This?
Yeah. Okay, so you're
See
gonna pop
that,
there,
champ?
and then you gotta figure out how to unlatch it after it's. So it's gonna be underneath here on a truck, usually under the grill. So lift up on that, and then it's usually to the right sometimes. I mean, pushing it to the right. You know what I mean? Nice, nicely done, honey.
Look at that, like a champ.
Well done. Okay, so battery power is over here, and we're gonna need to set this aside because we're gonna need to service this. It's kind of flimsy and it doesn't stay up and has been jumped maybe a couple times. Plus is your red one, and the black is negative or ground or black or.
It's good for our viewers.
So you got your color coordination down?
So I'm
red,
guessing
black.
red, black. Okay.
Yes. So again, to reiterate that importance of that not sitting in a puddle of water or being close to each other so they connect, because that would be a bad situation. Right. So it's actually quite dangerous what you're doing. Are you prepared?
I'm prepared.
All right. All right, so put the black one on. The black one anywhere on, like even here? On that nut. Yeah. So grab.
No.
There you go. And then anywhere on that red one. All right, a little tricky, a little flimsy.
Can I do anything?
Yeah, do that.
Oh.
All right, watch your red one. Watch your red one.
I got it back.
Are you shaking? Are you nervous?
I'm.
Jesus, I guess so.
I'm not. It's not like nervous. Oh, I feel it.
See that?
So can I even do that? Right
okay,
there?
just put it on there.
Okay.
All right, stop moving it. Good job,
I have
honey.
like I want it to be at the right exact spot.
Yeah, for conduction.
For conduction, yeah.
I'm not sure if that's a word, but you know what I mean.
No, I think you actually got conduction. I don't know if it's used the right way, but I think it is a word.
All right, so we'll charge that up and start the truck, and I won't leave it on for a long time next time. Listen to the radio.
Well, it's really hard when it's absolutely beautiful out.
Yeah.
And you want to sit on the tailgate.
Right.
And you want to listen to music.
Exactly. Thanks for doing it, honey.
Okay.
It's going good. No, it's rusty. So I'm making it. Hi. Hi. Do that. Like, when do you start?
Like patches.
When do you tell yourself, you know what, I'm just going to paint whatever I want to on my car?
I mean, you could stick a sticker there.
You must have been watching Fresh Trades.
Yeah.